You've seen this before. Luxury cars, beach laptops. Make money while you sleep.
You make history, I make money.
But no one shows you this. Here's the truth. Everyone talks about profit, but no one talks about the tuition. In 2026, the market isn't a lottery, it's a professional arena. Banks move billions, governments move markets. And you're just a surfer trying to catch one clean wave. Yes, you can start trading with $100, but that doesn't mean you should trade like you have $1 million. This is where beginners get destroyed. Leverage. Let's break it down simply. With 1 to 500 leverage, your $100 suddenly controls $50,000. Sounds powerful. It is. That's exactly why it's dangerous. Think of trading like serving food. A standard lot, that's a giant scoop. Too much, and everything spills instantly. A micro lot, 0.01, that's a teaspoon. Small, controlled, safe. As a beginner, you don't need power, you need survival. Now here's something most creators won't tell you. In 2026, ignorance is expensive, especially when it comes to regulations. In some countries, like India, laws around Forex trading are strict. Trading certain pairs on offshore platforms can quietly put you in a legal gray zone. And the cost, not just losing trades, we're talking penalties, multiples of your capital, even frozen bank accounts. So what do smart traders do? They adapt. Instead of risking everything blindly, they look for compliant alternatives. For example, gold-backed assets like PAXG or crypto futures on regulated exchanges. Because real traders don't just chase profits, they protect their foundation first. But the biggest cost of trading isn't money, it's your health and your mindset. People force themselves to stay awake at 1 a.m. just to catch market sessions, while juggling jobs, stress, and zero sleep. And it catches up. Burnout, headaches, bad decisions. Then comes the real killer, revenge trading. One loss turns into 3 turns into 10, and suddenly, your account is gone. The real edge in 2026? Not how much you make, but knowing when to stop. Hit your 10 to 15% goal, walk away. Because discipline, it will always outperform emotion. Let's simplify everything. You don't need complicated setups. Think like a pilot. You need a cockpit. For analysis, use TradingView. That's where you read the market. For execution, use platforms like MetaTrader 5. That's where you act. That's it. But here's the part most people ignore, your demo account. If you treat demo like a game, real money will feel like pain. Yeah, treat demo like it's your last $1,000, because that's where you build real discipline and muscle memory. In 2026, the goal isn't to get rich this week. The goal is to survive. Because if you stay in the game long enough, compound growth does the heavy lifting. So decide, are you here to gamble or are you here to build something real?